How to show more details in the file transfer dialog in Windows. When you're moving or copying files in Windows, that little progress bar only tells part of the story. With a few simple options, you can see exactly what's happening: transfer speed, file names, time remaining, and more. We'll show you how to do it. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. What is the file transfer dialog in Windows? Every time you copy or move a file in Windows, a small dialog window appears to keep you in the loop. By default, it's fairly minimal, just a progress bar and a percentage telling you how far along the transfer is. But there's more information available beneath the surface. With a quick change, that same dialog can show you the speed of the transfer, the name of the file being moved, the estimated time remaining, and a count of items still in the queue. That kind of visibility makes it easier to track what's happening, especially during large operations. There are several ways to configure whether Windows shows fewer or more details by default. Let's walk through each one. How to show more details in the file transfer dialog in Windows. Method 1. The quick toggle. The fastest way to get more details is in the transfer dialog itself. Start copying or moving a file, ideally a larger one so the dialog stays open long enough to work with. When that window appears, you'll notice a small link in the bottom corner that says More Details. Click it, and the view expands, showing you the current file name, transfer speed, estimated time remaining, and, when applicable, the number of items remaining. If you want to go back to the minimal view, just click Fewer Details. Windows remembers your preference for future file transfers under the current user account. Method 2. The registry method. If you'd rather set this without waiting for a transfer to be in progress, the Windows registry gives you that control. Open the registry editor and navigate to this key. If that key doesn't exist yet, right-click the Explorer key, select New and then Key, and name it Operation Status Manager. Inside that key, look for a DWORD value called Enthusiast Mode. If it isn't there, create it. Set its value to 1 to enable the detailed view by default, or 0 to keep things minimal. Then reboot the device for the setting to take effect. Method 3. The PowerShell method. Lastly, if you prefer the command line, PowerShell makes this process cleaner and it's easy to script for broader deployment. To enable the detailed view, open an administrative PowerShell session and run this command. To revert to the compact view, just change that final value to 0. Overall, whether you're a home user who wants more visibility or an IT administrator rolling out consistent settings across an organization, Windows gives you the flexibility to manage file transfer details in the way that best fits your needs. For more information, check out our official blog post on showing more file transfer details in Windows, linked in the description below.